Think I'm gonna go freshen up. I think I saw hydrant on the corner. And then I know how to use a wrench. Heck is he so happy about? This thing was a disaster. Oh no, Will, this place looks, hell? Oh, no, it's not better than Mexico. Don't worry about it. I mean, since all the repairmen didn't show up, they gave me a mixed extension. So come on, let's go. And you've been working night and day. Come on, you've done your best. Yeah, I did my best. Look what happened. I don't even know why Lisa wants to marry me. Well, you got me there. You know, you need to be a lot better if you go talk on this, though. I'm scared, man. I mean, what if I never get my life together? You know, well, I really did not want to have to go here, but you just don't make me do it, man. Man, don't you think I'm a little old for a spanking? You know, of all the kids, you give me the most freedom. But you know what? You are the one that I never was. You mean that on the phone? Yeah.